Hello everybody, I'm going to show you which power you can use to replace the original one that came with the Asus VivoStick TS10. So this is the original power adapter that it came with. It has a rating of 5 volts at 2 amps or 9 volts at 2 amps. So if you plug this in, you get a USB cable. It's got a micro SD connector. So just plug it in here. You see that it will come on. So if you've lost this adapter, which is quite easily, you can easily lose this, then a replacement that I would recommend is this one here. It's called the Qualcomm 3.0 Quick Charge. So you actually need an 18-watt adapter. That's the trick. There's other adapters that I've tried and tested, even tried it on power boards, and it hasn't worked. So I'll just plug this in and I'll show you and prove that it works. So I'm just going to plug it in, and as you can see, it turns on. So I'm going to add the description and link to where you can get one of these down below. So if you're after one of these adapters, then yeah, just get this Qualcomm power adapter. If this helped, just click like and subscribe. Thank you.